Hi, this is vasant Ponkshe again. You know me well. I am a retired bank officer from Bank of Maharashtra. And here I am coming with a small promo video to tell you about my next series number 4, in which I am going to tell you something about the technological disruptions which are going to take place in banking and finance and insurance in India. And many of these disruptions have already taken place at international level, but their impact on the Indian scene is going to create a different scenario altogether. You are aware that already I have come out with 3 series. You are also aware that every week I am coming out with a banking news bulletin for last more than 14 years, and every week more than 12,000 recipients are enjoying the inputs which I am giving through this banking news. So shortly I am coming with series number 4, and I will be explaining technological disruptions, and in this promo I am trying to explain what are the topics, what are the areas I am likely to cover in these videos, because I am sure whatever I have read, these disruptions will change the job profile. These disruptions will change the relevance of the bank employees and mainly bank officers. That is why I just want to tell you. I just don't want to scare you. I just don't want to frighten you. But it's my duty to tell you something which is in store. Then what I observed out of my reading is that why technological disruptions are coming. Ultimately, I found that the main intention is to create a monopoly. So on one hand, acquisitions will take place, A will swallow B, B will take over C. So acquisitions will take place, and on the other hand, with the privatization, the government withdrawing, different governments, not only India, different governments withdrawing from some sectors and allowing privatization so that the use of technology can be done. And at the end of the day, though the customers will be benefited, the corporate which are having that technology in their hands, that will create a complete command in that entire sector, and then they will be the rulers. So mainly, as we see, what are the purposes of technological innovations? That is cost cutting, more profits, less competition, less human intervention. That is also a hidden agenda. Then efficiency, of course, accuracy and speed, and innovation. That's why the disruptions are taking place. And the other side of the disruptions are accuracy, correct analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, speed, correctness, cost cutting. All these things are there, as I told you initially. Then how this technology, what would be the instruments which will be used as per the reports? What they say is that AI, that is artificial intelligence, then RPA, they say robotic processing automation, then ML, machine learning, then IVR, interactive voice responses, then digital innovation, data analytics, and all these things will create a new horizon in the Indian banking and finance and insurance systems that will be surprised, will be shocked to know. Who could have imagined 1 month back that suddenly State Bank would come up and say they are having 30,000 employees excess, and they are offering a VRS, and it is on the top, on the tab. Every year, people, those who are crossing 55, they will be able to offer the VRS. So on one side, the review after 55 years of age or 30 years of service will be there. So that guillotine threat will be there, and here the VRS will be opted. So though they were saying that there won't be any retrenchment even after mergers, it is a disguised retrenchment, as I foresee in this. Now, when you look to the reports of the State Bank, I was shocked when I read that. The State Bank is saying that out of 100 transactions which are taking place in State Bank of India, only 7 transactions are taking place in a branch, brick and mortar branch. Only 7 transactions. That means the 7 out of 100% work being performed in the State Bank, only 7% work is being handled by this branch staff, those who are sitting in the brick and mortar branches. You can imagine what will happen. Now, recently a parliament has amended the labor laws, and hard-earned rights are likely to be taken away from the employees. Who knows, they will come with the 8 hours working in banks also. This is my hard guesswork. So, looking to this scenario, I thought it fit to share more than 20 to 25 technological disruptions which will come into banking in next, if not 3 years, next 5 years, and that will create a total change in the scenario. What they are saying, as I told you, this is not to scare anybody, this is not to frighten anybody, but I wish that the bank officers should be aware. They should try to amend themselves. They should try to upgrade their skills. They should try to learn something new. They should try to change their mindset so that the remaining service of 25 to 30 years of service, they will be able to be most indispensable in the bank. Because one of the report which has frightened me, it says that these technological disruptions will be handling 50% of the works in banks and finance and insurance companies, which at present is being handled by human. The work which is being handled by bank employees today, half of the work will be done by the machine. Imagine what could happen. Because one data will scare you that in 2013, the number of employees in banking, mainly PSU banks, were 11,50,000. Today they are hardly 8,40,000. Who knows what is going to happen after 3 years? And I perceive that after State Bank, few more banks will come with various schemes, and to that extent, they will be using the technology to replace the human. That is why I have decided to come out with the series number 4, in which I will be describing the technological disruptions. So at the end of this promo, I again request you to subscribe my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos, and the moment I load the videos, they will be available in your inbox, and you will be able to enjoy these videos. So this promo will give you the idea as to what I am going to tell you and what is in store as far as the technology in Indian banking, finance and insurance. With this, thank you for viewing my video. With this, thank you so much. Kindly await my regular series, which I shall be releasing by next week. With this, I conclude here. Thank you so much. Thank you.